Welcome back to my channel, Makeup by Yoli. I am bringing you the heat today and a very thorough review of this palette right here. I just need to say, if you're someone that's debating between buying the Norvina palette or buying this palette right here, do not waste your money on the Norvina palette. I'm saying this only because this palette is the truth. Like, if you're someone that's buying both just to have both like me, then great. By all means, both palettes are beautiful. But if you're looking for a palette that packs a punch and that gives you so much vibrancy, this palette right here. I love the Norvina, but the colors aren't as vibrant or as bright as these colors right here. The moment that I applied it, it was effortless. Like, I'm in love with this palette. It was hard to choose which look I wanted to create, but you can create more than one look. That is what's so good about this palette, that it gives you pops of colors, but at the same time giving you some mattes that you can work with. And right now, with the summertime coming, want something that's gonna give you warmth, vibrancy, and everything in one palette. Now, I will say again, if you're someone that collects palettes like me, you will get both because it's good to have more than one palette. I'm biased, so don't ever ask me, do you need another palette? I will always say yes. But if you're someone that's trying to watch your coins and trying to figure out which palette makes the better sense, this is the palette right here. So let's talk about this highlight, this glam look right here, which is bringing everything to life. I finally went out and purchased the Artist Couture cosmetics right here, and I bought these two bad boys right here, and I must say the bling is on. I am ready for the summer. My Fenty shimmer, these all in combined. Listen, I am ready to shock people with the amount of glow I'm going to like spew from my face and my body. I mean, I don't know what else to say. I'm just ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. That's all. I'm just ready. I'm ready. Anyway, are you ready? Did you subscribe to my channel yet? Because if you haven't, we don't need to be having a discussion right now. So you need to hit that subscribe button. Also turn on your notifications because there will be more stuff coming in the future. And like I always say, leave your comments below. Let me know what you guys think about these videos. I mean, seriously, your opinions matter. I can run on and on and on about makeup and what I like versus what I don't, but I would love to hear from you guys. So I will stop talking. I will leave it there. Let's get this video on and popping. I hope you guys enjoyed, because let me tell you something. I had fun creating this video. Did you guys notice the hair? The braids? I got my hair done, and I must say I am feeling these braids right here. I haven't worn braids in years, so this is something that I had to kind of get used to, but I'm loving it. Are you guys liking this too? Anyway, enough about me. Let's get this video on and popping. I will see you guys soon. Bye. Hey guys, so the first thing we're going to start with is the Maybelline Master Prime by Face Studio Primer Base, Blur, and Pore Minimizer. Then I'm going to go in with my FoundCealer Tarte Foundation in 44S. And I'm going to use my Beauty Blender to buff it in. I'm going to use my Milk Makeup Flex Concealer for my highlight and contour in medium and warm deep. And no, this isn't a new technique to apply your highlight and contour. This is just me being silly. Of course, to set my foundation and concealer, I am using my Laura Mercier setting powder, which I love, love, love. Nothing makes me happier than to get new brushes, and trust me, I needed them. This one I got from Tarte, and I'm using it to apply my face powder. I'm using my e.l.f. blush palette. It's very old, so I don't know the names of these blushes, but I am using my Jeffree Star brush to apply it. So as I mentioned, I got some new products from Artist Couture, this lip gloss in Sugar Baby and also the Diamond Glow powder in Illuminati. And trust me, by my expressions alone, you know this was worth every single cent. Now on to the fun part, the palette. Yes, the first color I chose was Bahamas, and trust me, this has given me Caribbean vibes all throughout this tutorial. I wish I could go to the Caribbean after this. The next color I'm going in with is that purple. It's called Canes, and yes, this too was just as beautiful as Bahamas, and both of these combined made this look pop. Now I'm going in with Coastline as my transition color to blend out those edges and also to tie everything together. For my lid, I'm using Seashells, and oh my god, this turquoise color is so beautiful. To make this look more unique and fun, I used Mediterranean, and I added this really on the outer corners of where that turquoise is of the eye and the inner corners of the eyes, which is more like where the inner tear duct is. Then I went in with Seaside and I applied it right on top of the lid to kind of tie it all in. To finish up with the eyes, I used my Marc Jacobs eyeliner pencil in Popular and I applied it to my waterline, and then I went back into the palette and used Bahamas to smoke it out and set it all in. Lastly, I applied the second lip gloss that I got from Artist Couture, and this one is called Le Freak, and trust me, it is just as beautiful as Sugar Baby. Thank you guys for watching. This look is complete. Hopefully you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.